In this website, I have already withdrawn more than $5, as you can see on the screen. The first time I withdrew $2.70, and the second time I withdrew $2.50, and the money was successfully received in my wallet. So today, I want to show you this website called Faucet. On this platform, you can earn crypto by watching ads, completing simple tasks, or even playing small games. To get started, check the link in the description of this video or in the first comment. When you click that link, it will take you to the registration page. Here, you will need to enter your email address, your username, and a password with at least 8 characters. After filling out the form, simply click on Create Account. Once you do that, your account will be successfully created, and you can start using the platform. Now let us look at 3 simple ways to earn on this website. After that, we will see how to withdraw. The first method is the Faucet. Here you can claim coins every 30 minutes. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like so we can continue together. The second method is watching paid ads. You open an advertisement page and stay there for a few seconds. After the timer finishes, you complete a small verification and receive points. The third method is doing offers. Here you can play games, complete tasks, watch videos, or download apps and follow the instructions to receive rewards. When you collect more than 1,000 points, go to the dashboard. There you can convert your points into crypto like Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Dash. In the next step, I will show you how to withdraw your earnings. Now let me show you how to withdraw your earnings from Faucet. The process is very simple. First, click on the 3 lines at the top of the page. Then go to the section called Balance and Withdraw. Here you will see many cryptocurrencies available. You just choose the one where you have money. For example, in my case, I have about $1 in Bitcoin, so I click on Withdraw. After that, the system will ask for your Bitcoin wallet address. You can get this address from your exchange account, for example Binance. Copy your wallet address and paste it in the required field. Then click Next and complete the instructions they give you. If you want, I can also make a part to where I show you the full withdrawal process step by step. If you want that video, write "I am ready" in the comments. And if you are new here, please leave a like and subscribe so we can continue growing together.